Hi everyone, happy holidays. Welcome to my super messy yoga room. This is a really quick and informal video. I've done all my Christmas gift wrapping in here and recording and trying to work, also trying to take time off. Anyway, it's like a tornado took through the room, and I'm not camera ready or anything, but I just really wanted to make this little video for you guys because it is the end of the year, it is the holidays, and I just felt like I wanted to do a little video just to say a great big thank you to you guys for supporting me this year, for practicing with me. Maybe you found me this year for the first time, or maybe you've been practicing with me for a long time now. It kind of just hit me this morning when I woke up that 2024 obviously is fast approaching, and in 2024 I will have been on YouTube for 10 years. So in April of 2024, that will be my 10-year YouTube anniversary. 10 years of teaching yoga online. I can't really wrap my head around that. I started YouTube when I was 23. I'm 33 years old now. So much has changed in my life, obviously. I'm sure if you reflect back on your life over the past 10 years, I'm sure you can think of quite a few changes that have occurred for you as well. But for sure, like the biggest change for me, so much good in my life has come from YouTube, has come from this amazing privilege that I have of being an online yoga teacher. So I don't know, I just woke up and it really hit me this morning. So I wanted to do this little video just to wish you happy holidays. I hope you had a lovely Christmas, and I hope you're enjoying this strange little limbo phase between Christmas and New Year's. That all feels like a really strange little blur, but hopefully you're relaxing and enjoying time, and also really using this time to kind of close the loop on 2023 and create the space for a brand new year. So I'm hosting for my third time, so my third annual New Year's intention setting event. I'm doing it again. So January 3rd, if you want to join me, it's at 1 p.m. Eastern time. I have a 2-hour online live event. It's my yearly New Year's intention setting workshop. So it's yoga, meditation, journaling. Our theme this year is Root to Rise, and it's all just about closing the gap on 2023 and setting our intentions for 2024. Obviously, if you practice with me, you know I love to set intentions. It's pretty much what I do in every morning yoga class. But this is like a really 2-hour intensive session to get super clear on what you want for the coming year. You guys have probably seen, I mean, maybe not, because I guess it's old at this point, but on my channel, I have a video. It must be about 6 years old by now, but I have a video also that takes you through the process that I go through every single year, of like mapping out my intentions and my goals and the things that I want for the upcoming year. But then I also do a review. So that video is on my channel. I'm trying to think what the title is. I think if you search like Yoga with Kassandra, goal setting, or year in review, you should probably find it if you're interested in doing that. But I do think this is a nice time of the year to reflect a little bit and I don't know, be grateful for where we are, to recognize the hardships along the way, and to give ourselves permission to dream of something new and to create space for something better, and to get really clear on what is going to be most important for us over the course of the next 12 months. So I'll post all of that below this video, but yeah, just a little informal video just to say I'm super grateful for you guys. I have, yeah, we're at like 2.4 million subscribers now, which is really, really crazy. And like I mentioned, my 10-year anniversary is coming up. So that's going to be in April of 2024. I don't know how I want to celebrate. 10 years feels like it should be a really big deal, like a really big, I don't know, it's a huge milestone. So I feel like I want to do something, something that kind of, I don't know, celebrates the community a little bit more. So if you guys have any ideas of what you think I should do to kind of honor, whether that's doing maybe a series of live classes on YouTube could be fun, maybe a giveaway. I'm not really sure. But I'm super open to ideas. So leave me a comment, let me know down below. Also, I'll leave you on this note. Don't neglect your yoga practice at this time of year. I know it's busy. I know we have a lot to do. Maybe you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed. And often people in January, they get this great big boost of motivation to get super hardcore into their, new routines and new practices and get really disciplined. And that's great. Like, go with that energy if you have it. But even right now, your nervous system might need some nourishment. And remember that things don't have to be super intensive, super extreme, or challenging, or difficult, or sweaty, or hard in order to be worthwhile. Sometimes what you need is to just put your legs up the wall for 20 minutes and rest, or do shavasana, or just do child's pose, or just do a little yin yoga practice, or just stick with your regular 10-minute morning yoga every day. So really focus on your nervous system and try not to get super influenced by all of this messaging we get bombarded with around the time of the new year, around this the like new year, new me, and it gets really heavily pushed, especially fitness wise, like starting a new diet and starting a new fitness routine and burning off the holidays. Like, I really hate that kind of messaging and that kind of pressure that comes this time of year. So some motivation, and some of that boost of energy that we get around the new year when it comes to setting intentions can be really helpful and really beneficial, but we want to make sure it stays that way and that it doesn't become something that feels shameful, that feels like we're punishing ourselves, in any kind of way. Like, we want these new habits that we're creating to be coming from a place of love, to be coming from a place of wellness, true wellness, like true holistic health, something that is good for our nervous system, that's good for our hearts, good for our bodies. So anyway, I just wanted to throw that in there just because I know like diet culture gets insane at this time of year, and I actually tend to stay off of social media like from Christmas to like mid-January, actually, because I can't handle seeing all of the posts of like the new diet trends and the new workouts, and I don't know, people just being really hard on themselves. So I hope that you can stay gentle and kind with yourself, even if you are starting new habits and new routines, which can be so amazing and so great. So just make sure it's coming from a genuine place of caring for yourself, a genuine place of, wellness, self-love, and self-care. So less can definitely be more. That's it. I'm just rambling now. I just wanted to chat and connect, I guess. Thank you for watching. So thank you for practicing with me in 2023. If you want to participate in our 2-year intention setting workshop, this is really like a 2-year, it's not a 2-year workshop, my goodness. It's a 2-hour online live workshop on January 3rd at 1 p.m. It's really more of like, I don't know, like a deep ritual, like it's yoga, breath work, chanting, meditation, journaling. It's my 3rd year doing it. It's always super powerful. It is live, so we're all doing it together. I'll post the link to that below, and let me know what you think I should do to celebrate April 2024 when I'll have 10 years on YouTube now. And that's where I will leave you. I should probably go and organize this mess in the back and actually clean up my room. And you know what? This year, something that I want to do, I do want to remodel this space a little bit. So I really liked the blue wall when I moved in, but now I'm thinking I want something, I don't know, clearer, brighter. I'm thinking like white wood paneling. I don't know, something, but I think I want to redesign. So if you have any, I'm not very good at interior design, so if you have any suggestions and ideas, let me know. Okay, this is so much rambling. Happy holidays, happy new year. Thank you for practicing with me, and I'll have a brand new class here on YouTube on January 1st for you. Enjoy.